stream's a little slow. I didn't make it that good. I don't even like this clay. Every time I would try to model it, and it just keeps falling apart, even though it's not watered. Stuff dries out. Squishes the clay, causes it to go flat, weak. Still flush is good though. Just a little slow. Yeah, I don't think you can hear the siphon. Yeah. I'll do the soap test in this one. Oh. Here you go. You have it all flushed. Look at this for a minute. Alright. God. Oh, just siphon for no reason. This last flush, and bye. Thank you guys for watching, and leave anything down in the comments. If you like this video, let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe if you're new, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.